What a song of delight.
What a song of delight.
In that city.
In that city so bright. Will be lifted 'neath heaven's fair door.
How the ransom
will raise happy songs in His praise. When all of God's singers get home. When all of God's singers get home. Whenever a sorrow worth crying will come, there'll be no place like home. When all of God's singers get
I like to think that before time began, before the world was created or galaxies flung into space, there was God, and He was singing a song. The music was so beautiful that it had to be heard. So God created. And down through the ages, He's always had His singers who picked up fragments of the melody, hummed bits of harmony, wrote phrases of poetry, or danced short movements. But no one has ever heard the whole song since that day God sang it alone. One of these days, He will gather all His children home, and one by one, the singers of all the ages will lift up their voices and fill in the parts life taught to them. At last, we'll hear love's sweet song as it was first conceived in the heart of the great songwriter himself. And it will be perfect. What music there will be when all God's singers get home.
As we sing here on earth, songs of sadness or mirth, 'tis a foretaste of rapture to come. But our song can't compare with the glory we'll share